Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating the complexities of hedge fund investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding hedge funds can seem daunting. In this video, we'll break down the essentials, clarify common misconceptions, and provide you with the tools to make informed decisions. Let's start by exploring what hedge funds are, why they matter, and how they fit into the broader investment landscape. By the end of this journey, you'll have a clearer perspective on how hedge funds operate and what makes them unique compared to other investment vehicles. Hedge fund is a pooled investment fund that employs diverse and often complex strategies to generate returns for its investors. Unlike mutual funds, hedge funds are typically open to accredited or institutional investors and are less regulated, allowing for greater flexibility in their investment choices. They can invest in equities, bonds, derivatives, currencies, and alternative assets. The goal is to maximize returns while managing risk, often through sophisticated techniques like short selling, leverage, and derivatives. Understanding this foundation is key to grasping the complexities ahead. Hedge funds involve several key players. The fund manager is responsible for making investment decisions and executing strategies. Investors provide the capital, while administrators handle the fund's operations, reporting, and compliance. Prime brokers offer essential services like trade execution and lending. Each player has a distinct role, and their collaboration ensures the fund operates smoothly. Understanding who does what helps demystify the structure and gives you insight into how your money is managed within a hedge fund. Hedge funds are known for their diverse strategies. Some focus on long-short equity, aiming to profit from both rising and falling stocks. Others use global macro strategies, betting on economic trends across countries. Event-driven funds capitalize on corporate actions like mergers or bankruptcies. There are also quantitative funds that rely on mathematical models and algorithms. Each strategy comes with its own risk and return profile, making it essential to understand the approach before investing. Risk management is at the heart of hedge fund operations. Managers use tools like diversification, hedging, and stop-loss orders to protect capital. They may also employ leverage to amplify returns, but this increases risk. Regular stress testing and scenario analysis help anticipate market shocks. By understanding these techniques, investors can better evaluate a fund's approach to balancing risk and reward, ensuring their investment aligns with their risk tolerance. Leverage is a double-edged sword in hedge funds. By borrowing capital, funds can increase their exposure and potential returns. However, leverage also magnifies losses, making risk management even more critical. Understanding how much leverage a fund uses and the safeguards in place is vital for any investor. This knowledge helps you assess whether the potential rewards justify the risks involved. Short selling is a common hedge fund tactic. It involves borrowing shares and selling them, hoping to buy them back at a lower price. If successful, the fund profits from the price difference. However, short selling carries unique risks such as unlimited losses if the stock price rises. Understanding this technique is crucial for evaluating a fund's risk profile and strategy. Hedge funds typically charge higher fees than mutual funds. The most common structure is 2 and 20, a 2% management fee on assets and a 20% performance fee on profits. These fees can significantly impact net returns, so it's important to understand what you're paying for. Always review the fee structure and compare it to the fund's historical performance before investing. Liquidity refers to how quickly you can access your invested funds. Hedge funds often have lockup periods during which withdrawals are restricted. Some funds allow redemptions quarterly or annually, while others may have longer terms. Understanding liquidity terms is essential, as it affects your ability to respond to market changes or personal needs. Hedge funds operate with less regulatory oversight than mutual funds, but they are still subject to certain rules. In the US, the SEC requires registration for larger funds and mandates disclosures to protect investors. However, the flexibility in regulation allows hedge funds to pursue more complex strategies. As an investor, it's important to understand the regulatory environment and how it impacts your investment. For investing in a hedge fund, thorough due diligence is essential. This involves reviewing the fund's strategy, performance history, risk controls, and management team. Investors should also examine the fund's legal structure and operational processes. Proper due diligence helps identify potential red flags and ensures the fund aligns with your investment goals. Transparency can be a challenge with hedge funds. Unlike public mutual funds, hedge funds are not required to disclose holdings or strategies in detail. This lack of transparency can make it harder for investors to assess risk and performance. It's important to ask questions and seek regular updates from fund managers to stay informed. Evaluating hedge fund performance goes beyond looking at returns. Investors should consider risk-adjusted metrics like the Sharpe ratio, which measures return per unit of risk. Comparing performance to relevant benchmarks and peer funds provides context. Consistency over time is also a key indicator of a manager's skill. Hedge fund investments can have complex tax implications. Income may be taxed as ordinary income or capital gains depending on the strategy. Some funds generate frequent trading activity, leading to higher tax bills. Consulting with a tax advisor before investing can help you understand the potential impact on your overall financial plan. Most hedge funds require a significant minimum investment, often ranging from $250,000 to several million dollars. This high barrier to entry limits access to wealthy individuals and institutions. Understanding these requirements is important when considering whether hedge funds are suitable for your portfolio. To invest in most hedge funds, you must qualify as an accredited investor. This typically means having a high net worth or significant income. The goal is to ensure investors have the financial sophistication to understand and bear the risks involved. Knowing your eligibility is a crucial first step. Hedge funds can be structured in various ways, such as limited partnerships or offshore entities. The structure affects taxation, regulation, and investor rights. Understanding the fund's legal setup helps you anticipate how your investment will be managed and what protections are in place. Effective communication is key to a successful investment relationship. Hedge funds typically provide periodic reports detailing performance, holdings, and strategy updates. Some funds offer more frequent communication while others may be less transparent. Regular updates help you stay informed and confident in your investment. Redemption policies dictate how and when you can withdraw your investment from a hedge fund. Some funds have notice periods, gates, or suspension clauses that limit withdrawals during volatile markets. Understanding these policies is crucial for managing your liquidity and expectations. Some hedge funds use side pockets to separate illiquid or hard-to-value assets from the main portfolio. This practice helps protect existing investors but can complicate redemptions and valuations. Understanding how side pockets work is important for evaluating fund transparency and liquidity. Gate provisions allow hedge funds to limit the amount of capital that can be withdrawn during a given period. This protects the fund from forced asset sales in turbulent markets but can restrict investor access to their money. Knowing if a fund uses gates helps you plan for potential liquidity constraints. A fund of hedge funds invests in multiple hedge funds, offering diversification and professional selection. While this can reduce risk, it often comes with an extra layer of fees. Understanding the benefits and costs of fund structures helps you decide if this approach fits your investment strategy. Hedge fund indices track the performance of groups of hedge funds, providing benchmarks for comparison. These indices help investors evaluate how a particular fund stacks up against its peers and the broader market. However, differences in methodology can affect results, so it's important to understand what each index measures. Technology plays a growing role in hedge fund operations. From algorithmic trading to advanced risk analytics, funds leverage technology to gain an edge. Staying informed about a fund's technological capabilities can give you insight into its competitive advantages and operational efficiency. Hedge funds operate worldwide with major centers in the US, Europe, and Asia. Each region has its own regulatory environment, investor base, and market opportunities. Understanding the global landscape helps you identify trends and diversify your hedge fund investments across different markets. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are increasingly important in hedge fund investing. Many funds now integrate ESG criteria into their strategies, seeking to generate positive impact alongside financial returns. Understanding a fund's ESG approach can help align your investments with your values. There are many misconceptions about hedge funds, such as the belief that they are always high risk or only for the ultra-wealthy. In reality, risk levels and strategies vary widely, and some funds are accessible to a broader range of investors. Dispelling these myths helps you approach hedge fund investing with a clear and open mind. The hedge fund industry is constantly evolving. Recent trends include increased use of artificial intelligence, a focus on ESG investing, and growing interest in digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Staying up to date with these trends can help you identify innovative funds and new opportunities. Before investing, it's important to ask the right questions. Inquire about the fund's strategy, risk controls, fee structure, and track record. Understanding the answers will help you make an informed decision and ensure the fund aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Navigating hedge fund investments requires knowledge, diligence, and a clear understanding of your goals. By breaking down the complexities, you're now better equipped to evaluate opportunities, ask informed questions, and manage risks. Remember, every investment carries risk, so ongoing education and careful planning are key. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of hedge funds. Stay curious and continue learning as you build your investment portfolio.